Wait. These are actually good for you? They are so tasty. Welcome back, Active. Now, because the last comparison video did so well, I'm doing a comparison example today of some protein pancakes that would be good if you're bulking and some that would be good if you are cutting. I'll be showing all of the ingredients I use throughout the whole video, and make sure you stay to the end if you want to see the side-by-side calorie comparison, as well as a secret ingredient that I use to give some of my recipes a bit of extra crunch. Alright, if you do like this type of content, let me know by liking and subscribing so that I know to make more of this type of video. I'm setting a goal of 100 likes, and if we hit that, then I'm going to make a full day of eating comparison, bulking versus cutting. Alright, with that being said, let's get into the video. Now I'm about to teach you an extra handy little trick. Now if you've ever made protein pancakes before, you'll know that they can be dry as fitness. But with this little tip, you're going to keep your pancakes extra tasty by keeping them moist. Now you know what's coming next, the absolute moment of truth. Now, can I make the pancake flip? Find out at the end of the video. And the moment we've been waiting for, the moment to find out whether I made the pancake flip or not. Let's get ready. 3, 2, 1. And to finish off, here's the secret ingredient that I add to some of my protein recipes for a bit of extra crunch. It's these bulk chocolate whey balls, just like Maltesers, but in my opinion, even better. Thanks again for watching the video, everybody, and see you in the next one.